YouTube video today. We're going to be doing a follow-up on bikes.
That's right. So this is a Zizzo bike that we did before. And now that we have two of them, we're doing a quick follow-up just to show you how it can fit in the back of an SUV, and also some of the accessories that we added to Kara's bike. So as you can tell, we added a little hamburger bell. Want to do it? It's the coolest sound ever, so classic. And then we bought this. Let me see if I can circle around here. This is, you can find this on the Zizzo website. This is their pause chain, and it fits perfectly right here. And I think that's it. That's all the other accessories. We did buy a basket for the back of the bike. We have not installed it yet. Once we do install it, we'll do another follow-up video. But in the meantime, let me show you how this lock works. It's really cool. Okay, so she's going to unlock. Yep. Here we go. The lock.
Oh, there goes.
Okay, yeah, it's really heavy, so you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
So instead of chains, it's like links. It's really cool. So, so normally what you would do to lock up your bike is you would fold it first. So the secret is you need to unlock this part first. Okay, so you got to use the keys that came with that and just pop it open.
There we go.
Okay, so this part will pop up. So that's what you're looking for. That will pop up, and then all you gotta do is just put the link back in there.
Yep.
And, okay. And then just like that, as long as this is aligned properly, you just push the button and it inserts in.
Yeah.
Okay, and now your bike would be locked with this link. Now to unlock, you would just grab the correct key here. And then you would unlock it, and then you would fold it all back up.
Yeah.
So it comes out, and then you just fold it and twist it, twist the links, and then you would put it back on the Zizzo bike. Okay, so we're at the end. To make sure that this is secure, you gotta make sure you push this notch in along, attach that to the gray link, and then you would just make sure to push this part back in, and then you would slide it back into your Zizzo bike.
Yep.
Okay, so now Kara's gonna put her bike into the back of an SUV.
Yep, there we go. Beautiful.
All right, beautiful. It fits with plenty of room to close and put other things in there.
Yep. I think I should just push this in a little more.
Yeah,
there we go.
Okay, so plenty of room. Yeah, but I think we can only put one because we have two. Yeah, this is definitely not going to fit two because two, it might stack up, but I don't think it's going to fit. But definitely one's good. Okay, so standing does not work for a Lexus SUV because it's going to hit the top part. Okay, and now we're going to test to see how the Zizzo bike fits into a Nissan Leaf. And there you go. Fits perfectly. In fact, you can probably stack another one on top of it because the Nissan Leaf is so deep. Okay. All right, and you can also, because the Nissan Leaf's trunk space is so deep, you can also stack it leaning up, but if you stack it leaning up, you won't be able to fit a second one in here. So if you have two Zizzo bikes, you would just put one at the bottom and then put a towel over it and then stack the second one on top, and then you can fit two into a Nissan Leaf.
I hope you like this video, and a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments down below if you have a Zizzo bike or if you have tried riding a Zizzo bike.
That's right, let us know.
Bye!
Bye!